For this tutorial, I'm building a morning briefing that checks my Gmail and Google Calendar every day and tells me what needs my attention. I'd actually recommend something like this as your first agent because it's one of the simplest ways to immediately get real value out of this platform. So I'll type in my prompt and hit send. And watch what happens. Nexos AI takes that one description and builds out the entire agent automatically. It sets up a daily schedule and creates a full set of instructions for how the agent should behave. I didn't configure any of this. The platform figured it out from what I typed. Now over on the right side, you'll see the studio panel showing the full flow of what your agent is going to do step by step. But you'll also notice it's flagging that our integrations aren't connected yet. In my case, it needs Google Calendar and Gmail. So let's connect those. And this is really easy. Just click connect, sign into your Google account, authorize it, and you're done. Go ahead and go through this process for any other integrations that you need. And once you connect all of the integrations that your agent needs, you'll see that the full workflow is complete. Now let's switch over to the middle tab here. This chat window is where you communicate with the AI that's helping you build your agent. If you ever need to adjust anything or add more instructions, you can do that right here. If I scroll up, you'll see a summary of what the agent is set up to do, along with the schedule and which integrations it's using. And below that, it's asking me for a couple of decisions before we finalize. The first one is delivery. This is asking where I want the results to show up when the agent runs. And this is worth thinking about for a second because you've got a few options here. As of right now with Nexos AI, and this may change in the future, you can have it emailed straight to you. You can have the result sent to a Slack channel if you use Slack, or you can have it show up in your Nexos AI dashboard. If you want the result of this task delivered somewhere like Slack, just tell your agent that and then connect it as an integration. For this video, I'm going to keep everything in the dashboard for simplicity. That way, all of your agents and their results stay organized in one place and you can view everything from here. It's also asking me what time I want the task performed. It's currently going to run at 7 a.m. and that works for me. So here at the bottom, I'm going to say, deliver it here in the dashboard. 7 a.m. is perfect. So here I'm just confirming the two things that it needed from me, and I'll go ahead and send this. It's going to work to finalize things for a few moments. And now it's letting us know that our morning briefing agent is ready. Now, before I save anything, I want to make sure it actually works. So I'll click Try Agent to run a quick test. And then here, just click on Run Agent. And now the agent that you just created will perform a test run for you. Let's wait for a few seconds here for the result to finish. And now let's scroll down and take a look at this. It's come back with a full morning briefing. At the top right here, it tells me the things that currently need my attention. It's flagged that my team meeting was rescheduled and I need to reply. It lets me know that my Wednesday team meeting has been moved to Friday. Below that, it shows me my schedule, any calendar changes, any potential conflicts, and emails that I need to respond to. I got all of this from one prompt, but let's actually verify that it's pulling out real information. So I'm going to switch to my Gmail. And right here, you can see that I have a new email. It's saying that my team meeting has been moved. That checks out with what my agent told me. Now let me check my Google Calendar. And right here, you can see that my team meeting is still set for Wednesday at 9 a.m., which means I need to move this over to Friday at 1 p.m. So my agent caught something real that I could have easily missed. And it's not making any of this information up. It's pulling directly from my actual Gmail and Google Calendar. And this works the same way for any tool you connect to your agent, whether it's Slack, Google Drive, or something else. So now that I know that it's working and pulling real information, I'll switch back over to Nexos and I'll click Save in the top right. And just like that, this agent is going to run every morning at 7 a.m. automatically.